जुवारी नगरात आशिल्ल्या झोपडपट्टीत गटर आसात ते नितळ करपाची गरज आसा. नितळ केल्यार थंय हळशीक जावची ना अशें थळावी आमदार आलिना साल्ढाणा म्हणटा. थंय आशिल्लीं गटारां बेगीनच नितळ करपा खातीर संबंदीत अधिकाऱ्या कडेन चर्चा करतली अशें आमदार साल्ढाणान सांगलां.
These are old gutters. Maybe they are 10 years old or so. Okay. Now the panchayat members have been asking for permission to repair the gutters from the Kumnidad authority. Now they are not asking the Kumnidad authority to give them fresh land to construct gutters. They are only asking permission to repair the gutters. Now this is very, very important. Why is it important? Because especially in the monsoon seasons, the gutters overflow. The water from these gutters enters into the houses of the people, and I have seen with my eyes in the last monsoon session, people and children walking in the house in ankle deep water. Most of these houses have power connections. There can be some kind of electrical mishap. An accident can take place. Deaths can occur. Is it fair to allow these people to live like this? It is not. My conscience does not allow me. I'm not asking for new land to construct gutters. I'm only asking for permission, and I'm asking the Kumnida to allow these panchayats to repair the gutters, the existing gutters. And I hope this will be done. But at the same time, I think I will appeal to the higher authorities to intervene for this, so that these gutters are put in place and this water from the gutters does not flow into the houses.